mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat. Welcome back sa ating munting channel, Cool Lolo, Cool Tips and Talks. Sunday Praising, June 16, 2024. Siyam na races ang nakaline up sa nag-iisang Metro Turf, Malbar, Tanawan, Batangas. Ngayong araw ng linggo gaganapin ang second leg ng 2024 Philracom Triple Crown. At kasabay din merong isa pang stake race, Hopeful stake race, at ang may isa pa, 3-year-old locally bred stake race. Race number 1, umpisa ng winner take call covering races 1 to 7. Sa race 1, first choice natin, number 7, Sound of Silence. Second choice, number 8, Ginger Cat. Race number 2. Ito na yung 3-year-old locally bred stake race, 1,800 meter distance. First choice, coupled entry, 2, The Kiss, 2A, Primavera. Second choice, number 8, Sting. Race 3. Ito yung 2024 Philracom Hopeful Stake Race. Ang distance 1,800 meter din. First choice, number 2, Gamer Winner. Second choice, number 7, Wolf 359. Third choice, number 9, Still Somehow. Race number 4, ang pinakatampok na karera ngayong araw ng linggo. Ang 2024 Philracom second leg Triple Crown Stake Race. Ang distansya 1,800 meter. Ang first choice natin, yung nanalo ng first leg, number 2, Ghost. Second choice, coupled entry, number 1, Worshipful Master. 1A, King James. Race 5. First choice, number 7, Beatrius. Second choice, number 6, yung magdadala ng bandera malamang, number 6, Malibu Bell. Race 6. Only choice, number 7, Full Combat Order. Race 7. First choice, number 6, Tool of Choice. Second choice, coupled entry, 3, Mang Nano. At yung mas inaasahan, 3A, Chocolate Thunder. Race 8. First choice, number 6, Basket of Gold. Second choice, number 4, Batang Cabrera. Last race, race 9. First choice, number 4, Best Shot. Second choice, number 3, Bang. God bless to all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. At pakikalagit na rin ang notification bell para maging updated sa lahat ng video. Hinay-hinay lang po sa pagtaya. Sana tumama tayo. Thank you!